In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook rules to automatically forward emails. We'll set up a simple rule in Outlook on the web that forwards incoming messages to another email address, so you don't have to do it manually. This is great if you monitor multiple inboxes or want a backup copy elsewhere. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're prompted, sign into your account so you land in your inbox. Once you're in Outlook, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings panel. In that panel, select Mail to see mail-related settings. Next, find and click Rules. This is where Outlook lets you create automations that run on your messages as they arrive. Click Add New Rule to start a fresh rule. Give your rule a clear, memorable name, something like Auto Forward works well, so you can recognize it later if you need to edit or pause it. Now add a condition. For this walkthrough, choose Apply to All Messages. That tells Outlook to run this rule on every incoming email. Keep in mind that this means everything will be forwarded. If you prefer to limit forwarding to certain senders or subject lines, you can choose a narrower condition instead. But for this demo, we'll keep it broad. Next, add an action. Select Forward to. Outlook will ask for the destination email address. Type the address where you want your emails to be forwarded. Double-check for typos. A small mistake here could send messages to the wrong place. Make sure you're forwarding to a trusted address and that this aligns with your organization's policies, especially if you're using a work or school account. When you're done, click Save. Your rule is now active. Because these rules run on the server, they'll keep forwarding messages even if your browser is closed. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you ever need to pause or refine this rule, return to Settings, Mail, then Rules to edit or disable it. Be mindful of forwarding loops. Avoid forwarding to an address that forwards back to you. Some organizations restrict external forwarding. If it doesn't work, check with your admin or your account's security settings. And remember, forwarding everything can expose sensitive content, so only forward what's appropriate. That's it. You've set up automatic email forwarding in Outlook using rules, and you're ready to save time and stay organized.